Hi, my name is John. Today I will tell you about my morning routine. My alarm rings at 6:30 a.m. I stretch for a few minutes in bed. I get up and brush my teeth. I wash my face with cool water. I comb my hair and get dressed. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually have toast and scrambled eggs. I drink a glass of orange juice. I pack my lunch for the day. I make a cup of coffee to go. I check my backpack for all my books. I put on my shoes and jacket. I say goodbye to my family. I leave the house by 7:30 a.m. I walk to the bus stop. I usually meet my friend there. We talk about our day ahead. The bus arrives in a few minutes. I find a seat and relax during the ride. I listen to music or read a book. The bus reaches my school at 8 o'clock a.m. I meet more friends at school. We head to our first class together. The school day starts with math class. I'm ready for a day of learning.